Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Thanks for coming back to see me. As you can tell, your girl is back with Cooking with Chud episode 8. And in today's video, I'm going to be making my very first seafood boil. So hopefully this comes out good. Cross your fingers and let's see how this goes. Alright you guys, so if you're tuned in for my seafood boil, here's what we're making. So I went to the Asian market, I think that's what it is. And I found these shrimp here. And I got some live mussels. And I got 2 lobster tails. I got some blue crab and what are those called? I just had a brain freeze. Snow crab. And then right here I got some scallops. And then I'm gonna attempt to make like a little butter sauce or something. So right here I just got some butter. I got some lemon. I got some black pepper, Cajun, garlic pepper. This I found in the store as well. Actually, I found this in Kroger's. It's like a crawfish, shrimp, and crab boil. So I want to try that. Old Bay, of course. Seasoning salt, onion powder, garlic salt, Creole, minced garlic because I don't have any fresh garlic, which I'm upset about. And I got some sausage to add. Back here, I already got my little baby potatoes boiling. Over there, I got some boiled eggs going. Here is where I'm gonna put my seafood, and then right here I'm gonna use this to make my sauce. So let's get started. Alright, so here's my pan. What I'm gonna do is cut these lemons. It's my little mini cutting board. So I just cut the lemons in 4s to drop in my water. I'll probably add 1 more. If you watched my previous video where I made the lasagna, I am in the same exact outfit, so don't judge me because I actually made that for Bae because he doesn't like seafood. So that's why I'm recording 2 videos in one day, boo. Alright, drop my lemons in there. And then I'm gonna add some butter to it as well. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of the mix that I showed you guys. I'm gonna add some garlic. And y'all already know I don't measure, so I'm literally just, you know, going with the flow here. And lastly, I'm about to drop in some Old Bay. Okay, let's give this a good stir. Oh, y'all know what? I need some lemon pepper. Let's see if I have some. Alright y'all, look what I found. I'm gonna add some of this. Oh, he figured out a way to get down.
He jumped down.
He jumped down? And some garlic pepper. Now I'm gonna let this simmer for a minute before I put in, I'll probably do the blue crab first. What are you laughing for?
My brother.
It ain't done.
You talking about that lobster? The only thing is good. The other shit is gross.
He eat shrimp and crab legs.
You talking about lobster is the only good one. Oxtails? Ugh.
Ain't no oxtail. All right, so our potatoes are done. Our water has boiled. Now I'm gonna add in my blue crab. Probably these other crab too. We'll let that cook for about 10 minutes and then we'll be back to take it out. Okay, so while these are boiling, I decided that for my scallops, I'm just going to saute them in some butter, just because I don't want to boil them, obviously. So I'm just going to cook them in this pan really quick with some butter, maybe a little garlic salt, and that's going to be it for those. So I'll be back after I show you guys, or after they're done, to show you guys what they look like. All right, so over here I just added some garlic salt, parsley, and butter to the potatoes, and then right here are my scallops that I'm about to scoop out. Over here are the blue crab, and they are done because once they start to float to the top and they turn red like that, that's how you know they're done. So I'm about to scoop those out and then probably make the mussels next. And then right over here, I decided to bake my sausage in the oven just to, you know, get them a little crisp and warm up. So I'm going to dump all the seafood right here on this. Okay, so I added in the mussels. These take about 3 or 4 minutes to cook. There they go. They're all at the bottom. So I'm gonna let those cook in there. And then here are my scallops that I made. I added butter, garlic pepper, and Creole seasoning to these. Also, I ended up finding some corn in my freezer, so I'm gonna dump that in here too. Not right now, but after I take out the mussels and stuff. Well, this will probably be the last thing that I make. Okay, I just took out the mussels and I'll show you guys in just a second what they look like. But right now, I'm going to go ahead and add in my 2 lobster tails. And then also my shrimp. Just because your girl is ready to eat and this is taking long enough. As I splash it on my shirt. Okay, so I'm gonna let those cook. Which after that, all we have left is just the corn, and then we will finally be done. So let me show you guys what it looks like so far. Here's our sausage, the blue crab, the mussels that I just took out. Those are the scallops, boiled eggs, and the potatoes. Just waiting on our shrimp, and then we're gonna dig in, or our shrimp and our lobster actually. Okay, so I completely forgot we still need to make the butter sauce, duh. So let's do that. Add in a large amount of butter like that. Let me turn it on. Okay, I'm gonna use the same skillet that I just made my scallops in. I'm going to squeeze in my lemon juice. Remove the seeds. I need a little bit more. Then I'm gonna add in my Old Bay. Just a little, you know, about that much, whatever that is. Then I'm gonna add in some of this garlic pepper. I'm gonna add in Cajun. And then I'm gonna add in some of this. And I need to add me a scoop of garlic. I'm gonna add some parsley to make it pretty. Oh, that's enough. And then I think I want to add some of this just because it's really spicy and I want it to be spicy. Hopefully it tastes good. Oh, and I have this garlic jalapeno. Let's throw that in there too. Why not? Now I'm literally just concocting this, so hopefully it tastes good. All right. All right, y'all, so it's looking like it's done to me. That was pretty quick. Let me just taste it. How do you taste butter sauce? It's sliding right off of this. Like, what am I supposed to do? Ooh, girl, that's pretty good. And y'all saw me just put this right back in here because I'm the only one who's gonna eat this sauce, so that is why I did that. But yes, ma'am. That's pretty good. Dang. You flew out of there, didn't you?
The game too. Hold on 1 second.
Finally done.
Hold on 1 second, okay? I'm ready. Hold on.
Here's our seafood. So as you can see, pretty much all of it has floated to the top, and our shrimp is pink just like we want it, so that means it's done. Our lobster, the heck is this? Ugh, but whatever. So I'm about to scoop these babies out and I'm gonna add them over there to our cookie sheet. Finished product.
Butter.
Look how good it is.
Butter make it taste better.
I meant you to take it out the bowl so he wants.
Oh, okay. I'm gonna take it off.
This looks bomb. OMG. Look how good this looks. All right, you guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed my very first seafood boil. Hopefully this tastes good. I mean, my butter sauce tastes bomb, and you know, I just kind of concocted that together. So if you want to see more videos, then please stay tuned and subscribe to my channel.